Hey, so if you're having problems with a hotel booking, payment, refund, or reservation on Booking.com, yeah, contacting customer service is usually the fastest way to fix it. In this guide, I'll show you how to contact Booking.com customer service step by step in 2026. First, open Booking.com and sign into your account. Now open the Help Center or Customer Support section. Choose the reservation or issue you need help with. Booking.com often provides live chat support directly inside your account. For urgent issues, you may also get the option to call customer service or request a callback. Sometimes contacting the hotel directly is faster for room changes or special requests. The Booking.com mobile app also includes support tools and faster access to your reservations. Before contacting support, keep your booking confirmation number and account details ready. Booking.com may also respond by email depending on your issue. And yeah, that's it. That's how you contact Booking.com customer service for help with bookings, refunds, or travel issues.